Relieve flea bites with 5 home remedies. Flea bites are very bothersome and almost always cause allergic reactions that are accompanied by itching and irritation. These small insects, that we can rarely see with the naked eye, tend to attach themselves to our beds, carpets, wooden floors and a range of other surfaces where they can camouflage themselves. They feed on the blood of mammals, especially domestic animals, but they also attack people when they have the opportunity to enter into direct contact with the skin. While they don't tend to cause serious problems, it is important to give them attention because, in some cases, they can be the carriers of viruses and bacteria that can cause infections. Fortunately, there are a few natural solutions which, when applied to the skin, disinfect it and reduce the allergy. In this blog we will share with you 5 effective alternatives for you to try. Take note. 1. Tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil is an antiseptic product that can help disinfect the skin when we have flea bites. Applying it reduces the irritation and, as if this weren't enough, it also prevents possible infections. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of tea tree essential oil, 5 grams. 2 tablespoons of water, 20 milliliters. Preparation: mix the tea tree essential oil with the 2 tablespoons of water. Method of application: soak a piece of cotton wool in the remedy and apply it to the bites. Repeat twice a day. And B. Avoid applying the oil without diluting it as it can be an irritant to the skin. 2. Baking soda. Using bicarbonate of soda externally helps to clean the bites and also reduces the sensation of itching and redness. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, 10 grams. 3 tablespoons of water, 30 milliliters. Preparation: wet the bicarbonate of soda with the water until you have a paste. Method of application: rub the remedy onto the affected areas and leave it to act for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with tepid water and, if necessary, use twice a day. 3. Aloe vera and eucalyptus oil. The antiseptic and hydrating remedy of aloe vera with eucalyptus oil is an effective solution against the allergy caused by flea bites. These ingredients disinfect the affected area and calm the swelling and redness. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 30 grams. 5 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Preparation: put the aloe vera gel in a bowl and mix it with the drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Method of application: Rub the treatment onto the bites and leave it to act without rinsing. Repeat twice a day. 4. Lemon juice and honey. By combining the antiseptic properties of lemon juice with the antibiotic power of honey, we can obtain an effective remedy against bites from fleas and other insects. Its properties disinfect the tissues and promote relief from the allergic reaction. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 30 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of honey, 50 grams. Preparation: mix the lemon juice with the honey. Method of application: spread the remedy over the affected areas of skin and then wait for it to act for 10 minutes. Rinse with tepid water and, if you consider it necessary, repeat. And B. Avoid exposing yourself to the sun after using this remedy, because the lemon can cause marks on the skin. 5. Lavender essential oil. We may love the scent of lavender essential oil, but fleas on the contrary cannot stand it. Many people use it on their pets because it is not aggressive and it helps get rid of these insects. On the other hand, due to its mild antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effect, it can be used as a solution against the irritation caused by bites. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of lavender essential oil, 5 grams. 1/4 cup of water, 62 grams. Preparation: add the lavender essential oil to 1/4 cup of water and mix well. Method of application: spray the product onto the bites, preferably with the help of a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, rub it in with cotton wool. Leave it to act without rinsing and, if the itching continues, repeat 2 or 3 times a day. Have you been bitten by fleas? Rinse your skin and then apply one of these natural remedies. While the symptoms do disappear by themselves in a few hours, the ideal option is to have these remedies in mind to guarantee the disinfection of the skin.